Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Between the Sharks. We're back here at the ranch.
Look out, man! It's called karate, man.
The idea here is to rebuild the lean-to. The goal here is to come 24 feet out from this building and then run the entire length of the building, which is 30 feet. It's ready for a quick pass with the mini skid steer to take all this loose stuff off the top, pick up all the rest of the trash. I need to bring this dirt level down. It's all the way up against the wall of the building, which is a quick way to get flooding back in the building. I'm going to take this mini skid steer, bring it down a couple of inches along the side of the building, and just see how far we get. Clearly my expectations were pretty low. The only thing I was confident about was the fact that I had no idea what I was doing. But that's never stopped me before, and you gotta learn somehow. Now this was only my second attempt ever at grading anything with this machine or any machine like it. So considering this is a 1-ton machine, I expected it would struggle pretty bad against the compacted red clay, and boy was I wrong. I soon realized that its happy place was just taking off a few inches at a time, and it was 1,000 times faster than working with a shovel. Ask me how I know. So when I got started, I was really just trying to keep water from getting into the existing garage building. I did not plan to actually grade the area where I was going to add the lean-to, mostly because that just seemed like it would be out of the question. But as I got into it, it became pretty clear that this was going to be no problem whatsoever for the machine, and I was starting to get the hang of it. I haven't set up a grade line or anything like that. I'm just going off the building for now, and then eventually we'll try to figure out if we need to do it better than that. I've done this by hand. There's a video of it when I did the Versatube carport. And this machine in 20 minutes did what took me 6 hours with a shovel and a tiller and a wheelbarrow to try to move some dirt around. This thing is doing it just like it's supposed to. So if I recall correctly, the grade was about 16 inches out over the 24 feet, which wasn't a big deal to me because it was just going to be covered storage. However, once I got into it, I was able to take the garage side down around 6 inches and redistribute that dirt. So the overall slope over 24 feet was maybe about 6 inches. I also was able to bring the dirt level low enough that if I want to go back in with gravel later or even a concrete pad, I'm in a much better starting point to do that. I gotta grab the mini excavator and start seeing if I can dig this stump up. I've got 2 privet stumps, and those things are awful, but they got to go. Alright gang, kind of had to learn how to do that, and it doesn't look like much, but sure beats a pickaxe and a shovel. And then I'm going to see if I can grade some of this high spot right here down and sort of just make this all more better, because right now it's just with rain. the grading process, it's going better than I thought, so I'm doing more than I thought. I've brought the grade down around the building, which is the right idea. That way, if we build back up with gravel and or concrete one day, we'll be closer to the right plane. Also found this weird, found these bizarre metal things, so we'll clean those up, see what those are. The neighbor, he said he moved into this neighborhood when he was a kid, he's in his late 70s now, said that building was actually a pony stable at some point. So that's kind of cool. No reason not to believe the guy.